Hey, good Monday morning, everyone. Meteorologist Nathan Kitchens here. I hope you guys had a great weekend, enjoyed that very nice spring-like weather here. We're going to see some nice weather out there today. We should be mainly dry and very warm. In fact, today will be the warmest day that we've had out of the last several days. We're going to see nice weather through tomorrow, and as we look ahead into later this week, it's becoming quite windy out there, and then we'll see a pretty good cool down heading toward the weekend. Again, looking at temperatures this morning, it's very mild. We had temperatures in the upper 50s here this morning, and we're going to see very warm temperatures this afternoon, warming to 73 degrees today. We'll begin to work in a little more sun later today, but hey, we're going to be mainly dry. I think from here on out, we're going to stay dry today here in Indianapolis. So get outside, make some outdoor plans today, and enjoy this warm weather. Tomorrow looks really even better with plenty of sunshine, highs in the 60s. And as you go into Wednesday, a touch cooler. There will be a cold front coming through. And then as we go into Thursday, that front lifts back north again as a warm front. So temperatures Thursday actually are going to be the warmest in this whole forecast, in the middle 70s. We'll also see increasingly windy conditions. We could see a few showers Wednesday, but we're going to see plenty of dry weather Wednesday. Thursday, a chance of some thunderstorms during the night. I think during the day Thursday, we're going to be just fine. So Thursday is also going to be a great day with those warm temperatures, just very windy. And it's all thanks to this. This is a big storm system that we are expecting later this week. It's going to bring 1 to 2 feet of snow for portions of the plains here from Nebraska, Minnesota, Wisconsin. For us, we're going to be on the warm side of that system. So windy, warm, a few thunderstorms, showers Thursday night. And then Friday, we'll see that clearing out. Friday should be a decent day. That's going to be cooler, 50s, and then 50s this weekend. Possibly struggling to get into the 50s Sunday with a cold rain expected in the forecast. So we'll fine tune that weekend forecast as we get closer. But in the meantime, a really nice stretch of weather here today through tomorrow. Have a good day.